Assalamu alaikum, Bully World. Peace, peace, peace. Back again with Bella and Queen. I could see. Here with my girls. About to go on this walking trail. Right down the street from the house. We always go on this walk, but we haven't been on it in probably about a month now. Decided to take it today. Bella, let Queen use the bathroom. Come on, guys. Let's go. I can see Queen. She walks on a leash very good. It's Bella likes to pull. But when I put the spikes on her, she walks normal. Let me show you how much energy this dog got. She just have a lot of energy in her, man. She can't sit still. And see how Queen is still right now, right? Look at her. She just can't be still. It's like she got HGDD. Come on, girl. Let's go. We used to come on these walks a lot like going towards the winter. Yeah. This summer we're gonna be out here a lot. It's a lot of deers that come out this way. Literally, they be just out here face to face with you, just walking around like nothing happened. Come on, girls. I can let them go, but it's just Bella. Bella doesn't sit still. Bella just likes to take off. But we're gonna try this again today, Bully World. All for y'all, Bully World. Still. Sit. As soon as I let her off leash, watch how she takes off. Look. Bella just waiting for that. Go ahead. She'll just take off. Let's go, girls. Come on. Not too far, Bella. Not too far. Not too far. Look at Bella. Give it to her. She'll go in that water right now. This is what she does. She gonna do this for like 2 minutes, then she gonna let Queen go. It's like she's telling Queen, listen, be in your best behavior. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. And there they go. Want to races. Don't want to be still. Look. It's somebody's backyard already. Look, Queen. Queen like, Bella, get from over there. Bella don't listen, man. Bella, come here. Here. Good dogs. It's not Queen. It's all Bella. Bella. I know, Queen. You had enough of her, right? Queen love horse playing, boy. Look, she live for it. I know when it's serious. Hey, hey, hey! Out, out! It's not yours. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Queen. Let's go. Leave her alone. Let's go. Queen, I'm gone. See how they act in the wild, right? Bad knuckleheads right here. Hey, come here. Come here, Bella. 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 Come here. Hey. It's my girl's bully world. Bella and Queen. In the wild and not listening. What they got over there? Hey. Hey. Come here. Queen. Queen. Bella, come here. Here. Bella. Here.